Face cam just
Where's our
popped.
chicken?
Hello.
Where's our chicken?
Our chicken? Is he not down there? Okay, well, welcome to a video. Kind of starting. No! There was a back in time glitch. You'll remember in the last video in video 2, we built a little enclosure. Oh, Isaac? I know what happened. So before the video, we were having some serious glitches. And, apparently, I guess there was a back in time glitch, and he was also wondering where he...
Where do we build an enclosure? Where?
We built it over here in the corner. But let me finish. So he had lost some of his stuff, and there was a chicken wandering around, and I was like, oh, that must be the other chicken, because we lost another chicken. And now I realize that was the original chicken, but I shoved him into the void. But the good news is, chickens don't take fall damage, so he's okay. And you're probably thinking, well, he wouldn't be okay because it's the void. Actually, it's not the void. We're really going to need a way out here, so I'm actually just going to mine one.
What is happening? I moved forward and it moved my thing backwards.
Okay. So, actually, this isn't the void. You want to go get that chicken back?
I actually kind of do.
What? Okay.
But, like...
I can get it, really.
How are we going to get back in? How are we going to get back in?
I built a little thingy over here. You can mine another one there. So, oh, yep, we know there's a raid. Basically, we just got this little strategy here.
Where is he?
Oh, wow, I still fall from a high place. He is down. I haven't got him back yet.
Well, I have got you. You're still dead.
Me?
Bye-bye. Oh, no, no, bye! Get into the void! Thank you! Oh my gosh.
Okay, there's something weird happening. Alright, let's find that chicken of ours. There he is! I found him!
Found who?
The chicken!
Where's the last villager?
He's on an island. One of these blocks. Okay, flat worlds have slimes, right?
I think.
Oh, I see him!
Yeah!
He's down on the bottom.
Where? On the bottom of what?
He's underneath the villager island. Is the raid gone?
Yes! Hey, look, I found the chicken! I found the chicken! Oh my gosh! Neil, come here right now. Come here right now.
I can't. I'm a little busy.
No, I literally found the chicken, but this is like... Oh my, I have a screenshot.
A villager, I just saw a villager fall from the sky. Wait, where's the chicken?
Our chicken's about to fall from the sky too. Come here.
I can't come. Where are you?
Yes, chicken, come out. Literally, oh my goodness. You scared me, chicken.
I know these guys don't hurt you. I'm just using... I need to get some slime balls.
Oh, Meg, you got it. Yes, bro, yes. You're free.
Wait, where's the chicken?
Yes, he's going back into our base. Yes, mate.
Wait,
Yes.
where is he?
He did. Oh no, that's it.
How do you...
Yes.
Is it a baby chicken?
No, it's a normal one. He grew up.
How do you know it's the same one?
Because he was balancing on one of the lanterns outside of our base.
Oh, well, I think I found the real chicken.
Okay.
Ooh, there's a sea turtle. There's loads of sea turtles. Whoa. You know, I'm just going to kind of be down here, and then I'm going to kill myself. Because...
Is there any black?
No scoot. Oh, only baby turtles. They just drop scoots when they get big boys. I'll just leave 2 of these guys in case we ever need to breed turtles. And here's a llama. Your mama a llama? Mine not.
What? Oh.
Okay, do I still have that flint and steel on me? Good, I do. Let me take off my armor.
I made the chicken love you. Chicken, I'm sorry. Yeah. So, aw. Love me.
I'm killing myself. It's really fun. There we go. Oh, there went my flint and steel. Okay, do you want... Here, where's the chicken? Quick. Where's the chicken?
I have an idea. Don't do anything to it. Don't do anything to my little Bobby Joel.
Okay, well, why don't you surprise me, even though I already saw what you're doing. I am gonna... Oh, he's escaping!
Where?
He's outside of our base.
Yeah, I got this. Watch this, bro. Watch these, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, mate. You see this?
I told people that in the last video, in the next video, I would explore the island over this way. And your blocking system here is so efficient. I love it. Yeah, I have mad skills. It's obvious the skills I have. Okay,
Hey, bro. Come here. Chicken.
Okay. I'm gonna clear this island, see if it's got any good loot. Ravengers are really easy. I don't see why people are so scared. You just put up your shield and spam tap. Thanks for the saddle. Why is there 2 zombies both right here? I'm just gonna nudge you guys off. Oh. Who is it? It's a pillager. This island is a little harder to clear than I'm making it seem. I remember from the last time I played this map. Okay.
Hey, bro. Chill. Right here.
I'm going in.
I got the piece. Here, bro. Come here. Come here, man. Come on, bro. Why do you want to go on that side of the fence, you stupid bitch? Aw.
Okay. And there's a big boy spawner up here. So let's just walk across here. Oh my god. Hello there, mister. Got it. More?
Oh! You should have just seen us placing you be so proud.
I wouldn't be proud.
I got him. I got the chicken.
Nice. You know, I wouldn't be proud because I have no skills myself, so it would be impossible for me. Ooh, an emerald block. Wait, do you need an iron pick to mine an emerald block?
There's 1,000 emerald blocks over there, Eli.
Where?
Oh my gosh, how do you not see those?
Oh, on that thing. But we... No, I found one on a different island. Never mind.
Okay.
I'm gonna steal this.
Oh. I need some wood. Where'd my wood go?
There's a ton of wood on this island. Isaac, there's a ton of wood on this island.
500 chunks that I would walk 5,000 more just to get back every single wood and what you stole from me before. Where my wood go? Where my wood go?
Do I have to parkour here with my shield up? Because I don't, you know, we're just gonna... My shield is probably low durability. Oh no, it's pretty good.
I just hit my pee-pee.
Yeah, I'm not gonna waste a lever on this thing. Ooh.
Goodness.
Some emeralds, a new pick, and an egg. So useful. Wow. You know, we need some more light on our island. Oh, wait, that's right. You need a silk touch to mine up campfires. Okay, I wonder what's up here. Anything? Oh, okay. Well, I needed some more water. So I might as well. I don't have a full block. I have a ball. Isaac, look where I am.
Oh, I got a beacon.
A full beacon or just a star?
A beacon.
How? Where? When? Why?
Should we use it?
Yeah. Nothing down here. They got me stuck in a hole. I'll just use a block of netherrack because dirt is valuable.
Words of wisdom.
The value of the dirt. Can you hear, my friend? Comment below if you can, because you probably can't. Hey, no, that's for the end.
What? Oh
That's-
my god! I can't place a single block of dirt.
Isaac, that's for the ending zone. We're not supposed to go there yet. Did you see it said end?
Right here?
No, originally on this island there was a sign that said end.
Where?
We destroyed it.
Which sign?
It was on the island that we're on. I just realized
Wait,
that.
why is this the end island?
It's not the end. It's like go there at the end. It's like our prize. But okay. If you're all for
Dang
cheating.
it! Gosh darn it!
We need an iron pick.
I have an iron pick.
Can you get, there's an emerald.
Come on. Gosh darn it!
Okay, there's a gold block in the village and an emerald block over there. Can you get them? Okay, what is our goal for this video? What do you think we should try to do? You want to try to find another island? We are going via phone. That's why he said that. Let me just respond to him.
Hello?
Hi. What happened? Okay, we are noobs. We are pure
ended
noobs.
it.
I didn't try to. You're probably like, you guys are really bad at Minecraft. The truth is, I wouldn't say we're bad. We're just self-conscious when other people are watching. Right?
Sure thing, buddy.
Okay, I need a chest. Ooh, our chicken laid an egg.
Yeah, no, Sherlock.
You seem very disappointed.
Kind of am.
Why? Ooh, I'm gonna make a fun game. Don't come yet.
Oh my gosh, did I actually get that block?
I'm not even gonna read those. Villager, goodbye.
You are a loser, I'm not. You are a loser, I'm not.
You seem very proud that you're not a loser.
I'm not, oh my.
I can feed turtles. Probably got it from the turtles. I can feed turtles with dead turtles. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Let's put villager goodbye. Isaac, I have a bedtime story for you.
Boom!
You just popped out of the
Oh my
floor.
God, that scared me. You scared me. I got that, Eli. Keep from fool.
There, you can have a bedtime story. Did you get the gold block and the iron block? Or the emerald block?
Where's the gold block? Where?
There's a gold
Where?
block in the bell tower of the village.
Wait, where?
The village tower. The big
Where is it?
the big tower in the middle of the village.
Oh, there's a... What? There is?
Yeah.
Where is it located?
In the big tower in the middle.
No, but where's the gold block located?
In the
Like,
top.
tower.
In the top.
Oh, the very top. Cool, cap.
Okay, this is efficient. Now we can just reach our crafting. Why did we put the...
Where's the iron block?
There's an emerald block on... Okay, if you go... So, this is these are very complex instructions. Go to the island that I just cleared. And then go to the left, and you'll see a little well. At the bottom of that well is the block.
How many?
Just one, but...
Bruh.
Hey, better than nothing.
I just got 4.
Well, because you stole it, because you're a cheater.
From what?
There was a sign that said the end, and we literally in the first video, we were like, we'll go do that at the end. We won't break the rules.
But where's the well thingy? Oh, why am I still burning? Where's the well thingy?
It's
What
on.
are you talking
It's to
about?
the left.
What's poisoning me? Something's killing me.
Magma blocks, maybe.
Oh, that's true. Oh, it's a skeleton. Nope, you were wrong. Where?
Hey,
Oh.
yeah, I made a fun
Where?
game.
Where, Neeli? Where? Where is it?
To the left.
Oh my god.
The well
left?
thing. Yeah, to the left. The well
Oh my
thing.
god, skeleton! Would you stop for 1 second? Skeleton!
Do you want me to kill the skeleton?
Yes, please. Please do. Okay, where?
It's a little well thing. It's under a shack. I don't see the skeleton from my vantage point. Here, I'm gonna shoot the book. I'm gonna shoot the bookshelf on top.
You come to through.
I'm gonna shoot the bookshelf. I just shot. Oh wait, crossbows are not as powerful as I thought. I'm trying to shoot it.
Okay, you know what? I'm killing you, you little son of a gun. I'm gonna kill your little ugly looking butt with the freaking shovel, boy. I'm getting so annoyed at this kid.
Do you want me to take him out, or did you get him?
Yeah. Bro, I'm not about to humiliate you. Humiliate.
Oh my god, I was so close.
Oh my god, you little piece of...
I'm actually really close. There's arrows stuck in a tree.
Oh my god, how is he hitting me? How is he? Yes, I shot him!
Okay.
Let me die.
You're very...
Where is it?
Okay, it's
So what's in the chest?
you see the big wooden statue. Oh, other way.
This way?
Yeah, keep crossing.
Oh gosh, not into the magma block. I literally 1 heart. This one?
No, to the
Yeah.
right. No, that's a house. That's a house.
This is...
To the right.
Give me this. Give me this armor. What the heck? Yeah, I got some leather armor, Neeli. This
Nice.
one?
It's under a little... Yeah, you see it, right?
Nice. Really nice, thanks.
I know. I helped our cause. Okay.
Oh
let's
yeah.
see. Where do we want to... You're just dying for the fun of dying.
If you fall off and then you place a slime block.
Wait, you have a slime block too? Let's do a slime block bouncy thingy. Look, I built a little scaffolding tower to jump off of.
I'm gonna jump it off and then I'm gonna bounce off. I'm gonna place it off the ground.
Well, can I have my slime block? No, you're just gonna...
You have it, don't you?
No, you have mine.
Oh my gosh, that was so close. Okay, here. Come here, little child. I'm gonna haunt your dreams. Come here, kid. You're trash.
I'm gonna throw another egg. No chicken.
Did the chicken lay another egg?
No, I mean, yeah, but I threw it.
We should try. Yeah, we should try and get another baby chicken.
Okay, so
Ready?
you know slime blocks don't let you take damage, right?
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm trying to do. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Look right through it! Holy mackerel! Now I need to go back down there and get my slime block, and I'm gonna go die too.
Here, wait. I know how you don't die.
Oh! Oh, that clutch! Oh my goodness!
Where should we have our little bouncy game? Ooh, on the edge of this.
Dang, this is dark, dude.
Can I have your slime block, Isaac? Where are you?
Already killed me, dang it!
Can I have your slime block? I'm gonna do a little fun bouncy thingy. Come on, please.
No. Stop now. I wanna.
Look, we can.
I'm gonna jump off and.
We can. Time out. Okay, sadly, we do have to end the episode here. We had a little technical difficulty. So, see you in the next episode. Goodbye.